Hello friends, I'm here with Chamberlain Family Farms, and my boy put on there that have you guys guess what I was going to be getting. So
new toy, right?
Yep, new toy. And well, now I'm going to just go ahead and show you what it is. Snow everywhere.
Well, just got this for Phil. Something he's always been wanting. Our son-in-law Bradley, he helped us to go get it. Had to stop and get a bite to eat. Well, what do you think, hon?
I think you did good.
Thank you.
This right here, the 1959 Chevy Apache. It has a 455 in it. It's got a 400 power glide transmission, and I've been wanting one for many years, about over half my life, and finally got a chance to get one, so I got me one. It's not in perfect shape by no means, but it does look pretty good. It's pretty solid. Like I said, it's an automatic, which is awesome because I have bad hips and legs. But I think the time I get it done, it'll look pretty good. New wheels, new tires, a little weld here, a little weld there. A couple new windows, side vent glass. But other than that, I think it's going to be awesome. So thank you very much for trying to figure it out.
As you can see, another beautiful rainy day. Well, if you're a duck, it is. So there's always stuff to do here on the farm. When it's raining like this, we got the garage. That's why it's taking us so long to get stuff down the garage, because we got other things to do. But today, like I said, we're gonna go in there. I think all we got left is putting the decking on the back and doing some lights up front and on the back of the truck, and it should be ready to go then.
Starting to put the deck on, drill my holes and put the bolts in. Once we get all the boards in, we have to come back here and put a chalk line just straight across. We get the boards where we want them. I painted around the headlights before I put the new headlights in.
Now if you look down there, it's not exactly perfect in a straight line. And you see how far away I got from the end compared to some of the other ones. Well, the reason that is because under the frame, there are all kinds of things for it to hit. So we gotta do what we can to miss them so we can actually get washers and stuff on. There's been a couple spots, one there, the one here. We had some metal underneath this too close, and we had to move the hole over a little bit so we can get the washer and stuff on it. We got her almost halfway done. And when it comes to the gas, we're gonna box this up. I don't know if we're gonna go all the way down or not, but we're definitely gonna have to box this in for protection. We left it like this. It's going to cut it down and make it where it comes underneath. But if we ever do decide to put on a regular bed again, it'll be there ready to go. So that's why we left it. And again, for those who haven't seen the other episodes, this is actually from a trailer that we cut down and we just stuck it up on top. We got some 4x4s, some other boards holding it up. Got them bolted on.
Well, got half the truck bolted down, right?
Yeah. All downhill from here.
What do you think, Brent?
Yes. That's what I'm going with.
You're having fun too, right?
We'll go with that.
Philip is being gutsy. He's got his knee brace on. He already hurt his leg once today that I know of.
Hurt his wrist.
His wrist.
Yeah.
I still don't have the headlights in. No comments?
No. That's from Peanut Gallery. That's my bad wrist.
So going out and getting the sap. It's a very cold day today. Temperatures are hitting right around 30, 31, but the wind chill's making it 20 degrees or below. And when that happens, when there's not a lot of fluctuation in the temperature, the sap trees, the maple trees, they don't produce as much sap because the big fluctuation in the temperature is what makes the sap rise up and go down. And that's when we're able to capture it. Now yesterday when I came out, this one was totally full, and I had to also come out later in the evening and empty it because I was afraid it was going to do the same thing. So I'm going to be lucky to get a full gallon today, where yesterday I took in 5 gallon. Okay, so final count, I went through all of them. I got about 1.5 gallons, so a little bit more than I thought. Looks just like water being poured out, doesn't it? But there's sap in there. And I pour it down into this big barrel. It's a food grade barrel. So I did do a small batch of syrup a couple days ago. But I'll get some footage for you when I do it next time. Those aren't goats, honey. Those are deer. 6 of them.
That's cute.
Here we are, home away from home. So I wanted to show you guys real quick. Now we already took the one male that she had out of this litter out, but that is the mama of these. And I don't know if you can see very well, but these other girls are bigger than her mom already. Now the mom, she's a Harlequin. The dad of these other ones, he is half Flemish Giant and half New Zealand. So they definitely got some of their dad's genetics for sure. Now I don't know if you guys know Flemish Giants or not, but a full bred one, it could easily lay across here, touch end from end by laying down. Now, like I said, the buck that we got in there, now he's only half, and he's probably about half the size of that, but he's still way bigger than these girls. And they still got more growing to do.
When the kids get tired of helping out and we need them to keep busy, this is what we do. We put them in their little cars and then they can go all over the farm in them.
We hope you enjoyed watching Chamberlain Family Farms. You can contact us at chamberlainff@gmail.com. You can also check us out on Facebook, Chamberlain Family Farms. We hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe.